Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lieutenant Colonel T.G. Taylor, and I'm speaking to you from U.S. Central Command Headquarters in Tampa, Florida. Welcome to Face to Face with CENTCOM. In 2005, I deployed to Afghanistan for the first time. While I was there, I got to work with a man named Rasul Galoom, who was the manager of a local printing press. Every week, Rasul and I would get together and talk about the product and the work that he was doing for me. But more importantly, Rasul and I got to share cups of tea and many meals. In that time, Rasul and I developed quite a close friendship. We talked about our families, we talked about our past, we talked about our future, we talked about the future of Afghanistan. Rasul and I became great friends. We still talk on the phone every couple of months. Rasul was nice enough to send me a beautiful wedding gift. The kind of relationship that Rasul and I developed over that year is what I'm hoping to develop with you in the coming months. I'd like you to take this opportunity to think about what questions you have for U.S. Central Command and to write those down. Please feel free to send those in to us so that we might help you gain a full understanding of what it is that U.S. Central Command does throughout our area of responsibility. For now, I'm Lieutenant Colonel T.G. Taylor signing off. Hoda Hafez.